И первый доклад у нас у Мingce из Китая, директора SmartSpatio. Он сам скажет нам название доклада. Shu, please.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Mingce from SmartSpatio, China. Today, I'd like to share the presentation PHOTOMOD 3D and 2D and 3D processing and application in China. I'd like to introduce my company first, then talk something about our main business, and focus on PHOTOMOD 3D and 2D processing solution, some case study in China. And the last one is suggestions for improvement of PHOTOMOD. First of all, our company in 2008, we found SmartSpatio 213. We registered more than 300,000 US dollars. SmartSpatio is a geospatial and UAS industry for solutions. 3S, remote sensing, photogrammetric processing, GIS, and IT solution. We support Chinese clients, service and solution supplier. For US solution, we could have developed sensors, some LiDAR sensors and platforms, and also services. We can do some projects with our clients. Hope SmartSpatio could be the technology innovation company. Now, our company has more than 15 software copyrights in China and potential for innovation. We also want to be an international sharing cooperation. We have cooperated with Recurse and Panorama and GeoCloud. Now, our company has more than 25 employees. Our business center with 2 centers, one in Beijing, one in Shanghai. And we also have branches in the southwest of China and in the south of China, Guangzhou province. Here is a milestone of SmartSpatio. As we have mentioned, our core team founded in 2018. 2013, SmartSpatio Sci-Tech INC has been registered. And 2016, Shanghai Business Center, Jinyou IT, with the general manager Mingce, has also been here. 2017, we have a branch in Chengdu, and 2018, we have branches in Guangzhou. Last topic is the main business of SmartSpatio. Actually, very simple. Basically, our main business is data acquisition, such as satellite, some Russian satellite and the Chinese satellite, and also US images capturing. The second is data processing or producing, include remote sensing data and processing and photogrammetric processing, include 2 and 3D. Another one is analysis and applications. especially for 3D publishing, include the BIM, Building Information Model industry. Also, about the concept of two concepts. One is cloud computing, such as display and processing management, publishing, and big data center. Hope from the space to the ground, any data, and 2 and 3D applications. For products, we include PHOTOMOD. We are the partners of Panorama and GeoCloud, and also satellite images. Here, I would like to introduce our LiDAR sensor for US and 3D processing. Our customer optimized the 3D processing and 2 and 3D display and release platform. The third one is US and data service. Here is our US LiDAR sensor. I won't translate all of them, but just remember that above the ground, about 100 meters higher, the US flying, and we captured the data more than 200 per meter square. Here it is. And it captured the laser intensity value information is very rich. And also, at the same time, we can capture the same widest images compared with the sensor-wise. And the high-quality colored point cloud is also the result. And here is the Reality 3D. Based photo model and some other 3D processing software, we have developed Reality 3D for 3D model editing and display and data format transform. And also customer 3D processing and displaying releasing platform. Here is a sample. It is 2D and 3D. And also the third one is US and data services. We have 5 US. 2 is US with rings, and 3 rotor US. Here is the case. It's in Shanghai. Is a lake, beside the lake. And also a service capture vector data beside the river. So the main application industry include like the 10 industries. Most important is the first one, nature resources. And ecology application is more and more popular. Is the main users in China. We could see that except Tibet, our clients all covered the China. We also cooperate with the Chinese government, Sichuan province, and process the data in Tibet. About PHOTOMOD users, there are more than 100 dongers in China and more than 6 different licenses. In their year, there are more and more Chinese clients would like dense DSM and 3D model of PHOTOMOD. They are quite interesting with these products. Now, I would like to share the 2D solution of PHOTOMOD in China. First of all, almost 3,000 images, DMC3, and the ground resolution is better than 20 centimeters. Is about 4,000 kilometers square. You can see that it's not a regular flying plane. The inside there is a hole because some restrict of Chinese government just this area, and we at about 100 GSD, and here is the residual of the area triangulation result. And also we have generated DTM from the data different way by different computers. All the data has been processed just less than five days. Here is the result, the digital author images, and checked by checkpoints. In the center, it is checkpoints. You could see that the precision is quite good, almost 1 pixel. And then US imaging processing. Nearly everyone knows that there are more and more US clients, and all of them capture the US images. Here is a project with more than 25,000 images. The ground resolution is better than 1 centimeter. Here it is. You can see that almost 25,000 images is 24 and 800 images. And also at ground control points. Another one is still US image processing. More than 15,000 images, about 3 centimeters ground resolution. This is ground control points. And this is adjustment. It could be 1 to almost 1,000 scale. Here is the DTM. Another trend of photomodel processing for 2D result is old images, very old images, such as 30 years ago or 50 years ago. Here is captured in 1978 area images, Guangzhou province. This is just the image. No camera, no overlap, no ground control points, of course, no GPS. The clients, first of all, they would like merge all the old images together. They say that is enough. After our process, it is better than they could imagine. This is the layout of the old images. And also we have gave a camera for the images. We don't know the exactly camera parameters. And we do area triangulation match tie points. And here is tie points. And also we have add some ground control points based the existing digital also photos. Here is the result, DOM. The streamline and after mosaic, the result. Okay, and the more result, Shanghai is about 1970s, 1980s, 1990s, and after 2000. Also, it is more and more important of Chinese people interesting is 3D solution, such as, sorry, the word we use is WORL. What will import the data and pan sharpening and load the data, then match the type points and do adjustment. The area of here, the area is in the southwest of China. We have text four parts of these images, just one stereo image. Here is the result, dense DSM. Also, we create 3D reality model for the area. It is the result they could accept. And we also process the what will and what will 2 and what will 4 create one stereo pair just beside the area. It's very interesting because different time and different resolution. We have generated 2 areas. You could see here the dense DSM is a mess, but we have checked the images. What will 2? It is flat, but in what will 4? The image we have built the building. Just here and here. This is what will 2, this is what will 4. By the way, what will 2 is 50 centimeters. What will 4 is 1 meter. This is the result. And also we have processed the area images with normal area capture. The inner strip overlap is 60%, and the inter strip overlap is 30%. Here is the result, dense DSM. And we also create 3D reality model for the client. We will compare it later with other softwares. We also tried US LiDAR, SmartSpatio LiDAR actually. Here is the original loss data. And we import the LiDAR data and do some filtering. Original dense DSM and filtering after filtering. We also create 3D reality model for the US LiDAR sensor with images.
Sorry, only 2 minutes left.
Oh, sorry. And also, we have built a 3D reality model from ADS data. This is ADS 8. The ground resolution is about 20 centimeters. And also this one. We also built 5 centimeters from ADS 100. This is the sample data from ADS. Of course, we have added the 3D reality model. Just like oblique images processing result. We also could export the 3D result to OSGB format. OSGB format is quite popular in China. Comparison with Bentley context capture and PHOTOMOD. So PHOTOMOD the result is much better. You could see that, especially for tall buildings. And lower building, this is the result from context capture. And this is from PHOTOMOD. CC and PHOTOMOD. Okay, the last one is existing problems of PHOTOMOD, especially for oblique image area triangulation and oblique image 3D processing. And also old images 3D processing, especially for scanned image, because this image has a black area. The 3D result would have some black shadow. And the 3D format supporting, such as OSGB, actually is the most popular format in China. And also about the DSM, DTM, dense DSM editing or filtering. And hope the efficiency could be faster and faster, and the true author images quality could be better. So here is the suggestion, just 5. Better solutions for oblique image processing and the scanned images or where old images, black area remove for 3D modeling. And more efficient and more automatic processing, more format supporting. Okay, thank you very much.
Большое спасибо. У нас время осталось только на один вопрос. Пожалуйста, вопрос обязательно в микрофон.
Вопрос такой, аж вот эти старые изображения, это проблемы с ними связаны. Много проектов с аналоговыми снимками. Вы делаете много проектов со старыми изображениями, с аналоговыми. Ну, потому что одной из главных проблем было там отрезать края. Это действительно критично.
For 3D reality, generate 3D reality model. Where old images.
Да, ну, я понял.
Okay.
Вы показали очень много примеров 3D-моделей, хорошие слова сказали про качество этих 3D-моделей. Все-таки кто потребитель этих моделей, кому они нужны?
Most of them are Chinese government. For displaying, till now it is for displaying, and also for some change detection. But such as 2015, we captured the dense DSM, then compared with another time, and change it different.
Давайте еще раз поблагодарим.
Okay, thank you.
За очень интересный доклад. Если будут вопросы, мы их еще потом в конце зададим.